We are just a few years away from seeing driverless cars on the streets. Now, the question is, at that time, when you want to cross the street and see a driverless car approaching, do you trust that it will stop for you? To answer that question, we should first look at the ways that driverless cars can detect their surroundings. Different car companies came up with different solutions to that. Some of them, like Tesla, are going to use cameras with advanced image processing, so the car can be as good as a human in terms of detecting its surroundings, which is a good alternative to what we have right now, the human drivers. Now, another question might arise. Is it possible to make the car detect its surroundings even better than a human? Fortunately, the answer is yes. We have LiDARs. What is a LiDAR? Well, it's a laser device that can measure the distance between you and a target by shooting a laser toward it and receiving the reflected light back. If I had it here, I could mount it on a motor and start shooting in intervals. What I would end up with is thousands of data points that show my distance from all my surroundings. You can already tell that such device can be very useful for a driverless car. In fact, many car companies are looking forward to using it. But then why Elon Musk, as a pioneer of this industry, would say anyone relying on LiDAR is doomed? It's certainly not because they think it's not useful. In fact, they are currently using it in Tesla to verify their own method, but not for commercial use. There are two main reasons for that. Firstly, the motorized LiDARs are very expensive right now, and secondly, they are very bulky. Now, surprisingly, the motor is responsible for both of these disadvantages. And instead of using a motor to scan the environment with this method, it's possible to use a moving mirror in front of the laser and the receiver. And that's what we are working on in our lab. We are trying to make a compact and cost-effective moving mirror using a unique design alongside the manufacturing process developed in our lab. Right now, motorized LiDARs cost tens of thousands of dollars, but we are trying to make a device that costs around $1,000 per piece. Reaching our goal means that more car companies can incorporate multiple LiDARs into a single car, so you can be sure that the driverless car approaching you doesn't have any blind spots and will stop for you. Thank you.